Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm bringing you guys a simple snack. I usually make pastry snacks. This time I'm going to be making what we call finger food. Um, that we just don't need a fork or a knife to eat it or a spoon. We just our fingers, and that's what I'm going to do. Um, Guys, they actually, I like making mine homemade because I've been making this since I'm like maybe 16, 17. But they do sell a box. All you gotta do is just add water and do them yourself, which in Spanish is called bacalaitos Goya. So, which they are made with bacala, which is cut salted fish. So mine's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be making mine's homemade, and they are actually going to be making them with shrimp. So guys, this is an open collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabasta Home Living, and Melissa from Buckeye Girls Wrist and Things. Guys, this is host every Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and anybody is welcome to participate. We all gotta eat, so I might as well record it and share it. And today, like I said, I'm making finger food. I am not making dinner. I'm not feeling hungry for a dinner, and neither is my husband. So I'm gonna show you what do I do. So guys, here I have all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup. In this cup, you're going to add Italian seasoning of your choice. You're going to add black pepper. You're going to add a little bit of paprika, and you could add salt and pepper, but I'm going to be using my adobo Goya. And also I'm going to be using a little package of sazon, not all of it, just for coloring. And I have here a cup of shrimp, which I cut in half. So guys, I'm going to put this together, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it together. And also I'm going to start getting my oil hot, because you need to have your oil hot or it will suck up some grease like you won't believe. So I'm going to leave that right there. I'm going to get my frying pan ready. So I'll be right back, and then I'll show you how I put this together and the consistency that you need to have it. Okay? All right, guys. I'm just going to add some Italian seasoning. So since this thing never comes out in the amount that I want, I just put about that much. You could put as much as you want, guys. Of course, some black pepper, paprika, and this is, you could add it as your choice, how much you want or how less do you want, and a little bit of this. And then to that, I'm going to make sure that when you use water, your water is not hot, because it will cook your flour, and you don't want that. So you start adding water slowly, because remember guys, you can always add more water, but you won't be able to take off some water. So you want it to be in a runny consistency, not too runny and not too thick. So as you guys see, I'm just adding water. I still have not added my shrimp yet. So had enough water, perfect amount. So I'm going to stir this really good, and I'm gonna come right back at you guys. All right, guys, I already added my shrimp in here, and also I forgot to mention, it's your choice as well. You can add some garlic. Guys, you want this consistency to look like this. You don't want it to be thick. You want it to be runny, but not too runny. All right, guys, and I'm using raw shrimp for the simple fact that you're going to use cooked shrimp, and then you have to cook them again. They might be a little bit chewy, so you don't want that. So this is the way I taste my oil to make sure it's hot. I just drop a little drop. You guys can see. That's what you guys want to see when you frying them. Okay, I know you can see them right there. So I'm going to bring you guys close so you guys can see. So now I'm just gonna add. You can make it as big or as small as you choose. Since I'm the only one eating this, my husband don't eat shrimp. So, and if any of my kids stop by, so they can have some as well. And make sure you leave space in between them. Here I'm going to put at least 4. So let me move them. So I'm just gonna put 4 in there for now. So you guys can see that's what it looks like. Sorry, I have my thing there. Let me bring you guys down. So that's what bacalaitos Goya look like. So there you go. And like I said, it's called bacalaitos Goya, the one that you buy in the box. But of course, mine is homemade, which is better than bought on the box. So you're just gonna flip them. So there you go. As I progress with this, I'm gonna show you how to when they're done, because you want it to be the edge to be at least golden brown, because you want your shrimp to be cooked. Remember, I'm using raw shrimp, and if you're not sure, you could use cooked shrimp. And also you can hold on, guys. I was saying you can also buy I know they got some little bags that they call, I don't know if they call salad shrimp. You could use those if you like, but I don't use those because a lot of those they still have their shell. They don't peel them right, so I don't want to be eating shell. So guys, yeah, this is simple. So I'm gonna come at you with the end result when I'm completely all done with them, and I show you what it looks like when they're cooked. They are delicious, guys. They are delicious. Well, guys, I am done cooking. This is what they look like. You guys can see. So let's take a test. From my family to yours. If you're having dinner, a snack, or anything, I say to you, bon appetit. Buen provecho. See the shrimp? Guys, you can also, excuse me, you can also use crab meat, imitation crab meat, lobster or imitation lobster, whatever type of meat of your choice that you like. Okay? I have never done it with chicken or beef or anything, But one of these days, I will experiment on that. But yeah, guys, thank you. And like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and David also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.